Hi, this is Geralin Thomas, professional organizer, instructor for the National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals, also known as NAPO, and career coach for professional organizers. In the previous episode titled The Success Express, I shared the highlights reel of my career and explained how I ended up boarding the Success Express with 5 wonderful women named branding, marketing, sales, advertising, and PR. In this episode, it gives me great pleasure to introduce you to my dear friend Branding. I would describe Branding as a detail-oriented, 24/7, 365 workaholic woman who employs a 3-prong method to her madness. She focuses on a company's visual and verbal elements as well as their experiential identity. She helps her clients pull off countless looks, including uptown girl, folksy farmer's wife, preppy Palm Beach party animal, psychedelic stoner, wilderness woman, suburban mom, tiger mom, and everything in between. It should come as no surprise that Branding is fluent in many languages. Her lingo changes with each and every target audience. Intellectual, sarcastic, playful, cheeky, geeky, snarky, syrupy sweet, rebellious, prim and proper, practical, patronizing, contemplative, and consider yourself warned, when she gets tipsy, she speaks in cursive. When Branding and I first became friends, she made me pinky promise that I'd pick one look and one voice. She insisted I stick to it. See, Branding is really into commitment. A friendship with her is a little like marrying into the mob. Once you're in, it's not so easy to get out. And if you do get out, it will cost you. Here's the thing. When Branding shows up, she never announces, "Here I am!" Instead, people recognize her and think, "Ah, there she is." She's all about the client experience and believes that consistency is critical. Branding is wanted and needed by businesses large and small. She should be no one's best kept secret. Which reminds me, if you enjoy this information, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Remember to subscribe to this channel because next time I'll introduce you to my friend Marketing. Make sure you check out my 4-hour branding and marketing webinar at napo.net titled Creating Your Own Buzz, Marketing and Branding. It's webinar number 4-429. Or schedule a 60-minute one-on-one coaching call with me. Click the Products and Services tab on the menu at metropolitanorganizing.com.